fight you can't. What with? Your brain. You're not a victim, don't let them make you into one. Help my life fit. Push me around. Just because I'm different. I don't know if you're going to see again or not. I do know you have to fight back.
You're making good progress.
Thanks to my saviours.
So you'll be pleased to hear it's time for you to continue your treatment elsewhere.
So that Lieutenant Courtney is depressed.
I will not leave wounded soldiers freezing or sweating under canvas because one junior officer is depressed. Please help him prepare his belongings. He leaves first thing in the morning.